Howdy folks, Grandpa Greenwald, old man with a pan. Well, today we're going to cook some chicken strips, some homemade chicken strips. I had bought some chicken breast cutlets, so they were already turned into cutlets before I bought them. I decided I'll slice these up and make some homemade chicken strips. But what we're really doing today, we're featuring our favorite Piqua Ware Miami skillet. As you know, those are made from the mid 1914, 1915 up until 1934, 35 time frame when the favorite company went out of business. So this is a Piqua Ware Miami. We have it restored. We did an initial cook in it. I've seasoned it several times in the oven. This is part of the seasoning process. We're going to cook in it. We're using lard in the pan. We're going to cook these chicken strips. It's part of the seasoning process. So this video is more about the behavior of the Piqua Ware on the fire rather than the chicken strip outcome. Well, both of them are important, I reckon. But anyway, today's about the Piqua Ware. Let's enjoy. Let's get cooking some chicken strips. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy.
Looks like they're cooking real good here. We finally got the fire adjusted down. This is just a little Coleman propane, portable little propane stove, and the adjustment knob is not the greatest, but we got it settled down, and strips are cooking good. So the chicken strips are done. The first batch is done, and they didn't take real long. As I said earlier, they started out as chicken cutlets, chicken breast cutlets, and I sliced those. So those are really tenderized and easy to cook. All we're trying to do is get a little bit of seasoned crispy on the outside there. So we'll get this second batch in the pan and. See how we get those out. The pan's doing really well. We have a little bit, the heat dissipates around the edge, but we have the fire down real low. So anyway, pan's doing well. Chicken strips cooking yummy. So these things are cooking real well. We kind of got the pan a little bit overcrowded, but who wants to make 3 batches if you can fit it in 2? So anyway, they're coming together real nice. We're going to take those off in just a minute, and now it's not about the pan anymore. Now it's about that food getting in my tummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and call success on this cook. Wow, what a lot of fun out here with this open flame. I don't get to do that very often on the outback here, but we got some chicken strips now to just get something to dip them in, and some hot sauce. I'm getting excited. Thanks for coming by, folks. Got the Piqua Ware Miami, another cook down in that baby, and we got some yummy chicken strips to munch on here.